My name is Jimmy Reyes, and I'm a professional comic book illustrator. Welcome to my channel, where I share tips, techniques, and an inside look at being a freelance illustrator. Well, hello and welcome back to another video. While most of you are searching the internet for cat and baby videos, I'm searching for Workspace and Studio Tour videos. I love to see your Workspace and Studio Tour. So if you've got a video online about your Workspace or Studio Tour, feel free to post a link in the comment section. I'd love to see your Workspace. So I figured I'd go ahead and update you guys on my Workspace. Now, there's a couple of new furniture pieces and I'm pretty excited about them. All right, well, let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so this little area right here, this is actually like the digital workstation. This is where I do all the video edits. This is where I prepare all the artwork using a program called Photoshop, and I'll clean up all the line art and things like that before I actually send it off to either a colorist or to the publisher. So nowadays there's really two areas, two workstations for an artist. So back in the day it was just one workstation. You know, it would be your drafting table and you did all your pencil work and then you sent it off. And nowadays an artist has to have a digital workstation. You know, you have to be able to have an area where you can scan in the artwork and then you send it from anywhere in the world. So for those of you that aren't in the US and do want to work with a US publisher, I mean, nowadays you can. Alright, so directly behind me is my drafting table, and several people have asked, you know, what kind of drafting table is it? This is actually from a company called Studio Designs, and it's the Aries drafting table. And if you like, I'll place a link down in the description and you guys can click on that and maybe get one for yourself. It's actually a really good table. Having a glass top like this, you know, it allows for less reflection, a lot less than I actually thought. I thought it was going to reflect a lot of light, but it actually lets the light pass through. And the good thing is that since I use a lot of ink, the ink doesn't stain the top of my desk. I can just wipe it right off the glass. So having a glass top has been a lifesaver at times. Okay, so one of the questions that I get asked quite often, aside from what kind of art supplies do you use, I also get asked, how do you print out the artwork onto the 11x17 Bristol board? Well, this is how I do it. I have an Epson Workforce printer. It's an all-in-one printer, and it really wasn't that expensive as you would think. So I got a really good deal on it, and I bought it new, and what it does is it allows me to print larger than 11x17. So I'm able to feed the paper behind the printer and feed the Bristol board through, and I can use Eon art boards that are really thick. I think they're 3-ply, where Strathmore most of the time is 2-ply, and it still fits through and it prints out the artwork. And so if you're wondering, I'm also going to place a link in the description of this particular model here. It's the Epson Workforce 7620. So if you're interested and you want to search the web for that, also check the description and you'll have a link there as well. Well, thanks so much for visiting me. I appreciate you guys taking the tour of my workspace. It's a workspace, not really a studio, because it's really just in the nook of a room. It's just in one corner, and you really don't need a big, large area. The main thing that you need is a comfortable place to sit and draw, and your imagination. Those are the two most important things that you need. So, all right, well, thanks again for visiting, and I hope you subscribe and continue watching more videos.